Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Hello friends, identify the tube. See, you have two balloons and you have 1, 2, 3 lumen. So it is a triple lumen tube and you have two balloons. So this balloon, what is this? This is esophageal balloon. Okay, and this balloon which you have, this is gastric balloon. So what is this? This is sengstaken blakemore tube. This is sengstaken blakemore tube. Where is it used? It is used in varices, esophageal varices, if medical treatment does not work. It is used in esophageal varices during transportation also. If you have to transport to the higher centers, you can use this sengstaken blakemore tube. Thank you.
thank you and thank you for watching.